Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make waffle donuts. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Also, have 1 large egg, 1 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter on hand. These simple items are the foundation for delicious, homemade waffle donuts, ensuring a perfect texture and flavor every time. Now let's create our waffle donut batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt until well combined. In a separate bowl, gently mix the egg, milk, and melted butter. Then, slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture. Stir just until everything is moistened. Overmixing can lead to tough donuts, so stop as soon as the ingredients are incorporated. With your batter ready, it's time for the waffle iron magic. First, preheat your waffle iron to a medium-high setting. A little cooking spray or melted butter will ensure your donuts don't stick. Carefully pour about 1/2 cup of batter onto the center of the hot iron. Close the lid and cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until your waffle donut is beautifully golden brown and perfectly crisp. Finally, let's add those delicious finishing touches. Once cooked, carefully remove each waffle donut from the iron and place it on a wire rack to cool slightly. This helps maintain their crispness. For a simple yet elegant presentation, dust them generously with powdered sugar. You can also drizzle them with chocolate sauce, a sweet glaze, or enjoy them plain. Serve warm for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.